Welcome to this stately brick home that greets you with a large covered front porch, setting the stage for warmth and timeless appeal. Nestled in a prime location, this residence is a true gem, blending character with modern convenience. Step inside the center entry and be amazed by the expansive living room. With abundant natural light pouring in and a decorative fireplace as the focal point, this space offers the perfect blend of elegance and comfort. Plus, the first-floor hardwood floors hidden beneath the carpets add even more charm. The spacious eat-in kitchen is ideal for creating your favorite meals, featuring a convenient back staircase leading to the second floor and easy access to the covered back porch. Step outside to your private yard and detached garage, offering plenty of outdoor space for relaxation or entertaining. Adjacent to the kitchen, the formal dining room is ready to host family gatherings and holiday dinners, exuding a welcoming atmosphere that will make every meal special. Upstairs, you'll find 4 generously sized bedrooms, each offering comfort and natural light. The second floor also boasts a full bathroom, with additional full and half baths on the first floor and lower level. There's also a walk up to the third floor, an unfinished 40 by 24 space brimming with potential, whether you envision a home office, gym, or additional living area. The lower level is your ultimate flex space, complete with a game room, a kitchenette, laundry room, and ample storage. Whether you need a space for entertaining or a quiet retreat, this area has you covered. With a roof installed in 2020 and 2 new furnaces from 2022 and 2023, this home is ready for the future. Conveniently located near shopping, parks, and downtown Pittsburgh, it's the perfect balance of suburban comfort and city accessibility. Don't miss out on this beautiful brick home that combines classic charm with modern updates, all in a location that can't be beat. If you're interested in making this home your own, be sure to reach out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing home tours.